All right, the thing that makes this problem challenging, if you got stuck on it, who can tell me what makes this challenging? The powers of 10, dealing with these big numbers here. 10 to the 5th, 10 to the 14, these powers of 10. But look, the concepts are the same. I mean, this really is an easy problem. If these numbers were not powers of 10, it'd be much easier. So the reason, if you got stuck on this one, it's because of the numbers. All right, so let's set it up. Always start with a diagram. So we have an electron. We're given this represents our electron. V initial is 3 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, that's this right here. And it undergoes an acceleration. So this electron goes faster, 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 faster. And then here it is down there. The acceleration is 8 times 10 to the 14 meter per second squared. And V final we're given here in part A. Part A says, how long will it take to reach a speed of 5.4 times 10 to the 5th? Velocity and speed are interchangeable. Only time velocity and speed are not the same is speed with a direction is velocity. Okay? So I'm just going to label this V final. So this is 5.4 times 10 to the 5th meter per second. All right, so what's the missing info here? Well, time, t is a question mark. How much time does that take? And then the other thing is, what's the distance or the displacement? X. All right, so first thing they want is what's the time? So you look at your kinematics, the one that solves it in one calculation. So for part A, you can just go V final equals V initial plus AT, and then rearrange this for t. So doing the algebra, I'm going to take V initial, move it over. So then that gives you V final minus V initial, and then divide both sides by A. So when you do the algebra, this is what you get. So this equals, so V final is 5.4 times 10 to the 5th. V initial is 3 times 10 to the 5th. And then our acceleration is 8 times 10 to the 14. Okay, and then this gives us an answer of 3 times 10 to the negative 10 seconds. Not too bad. The only hard part are the dealing with the powers of 10. Okay, part B. So part B, how far will the electron have traveled during this time? I think the easiest equation here is X equals 1/2 V final plus V initial times T. So plug into that, you go 1/2. So V final is 5.4 times 10 to the 5th. V initial is 3 times 10 to the 5th. And we now have the time. 3 times 10 to the negative 10. So you punch that into your calculator and you get 1.26 times 10 to the negative 4 meters.